Happy Mother's Day cards created with materials that she had in her scrap stash, and they are just beautiful. This first one is all beautiful purples with this almost tie-dyed wood tone, and then my mom used a die cut to make this lovely irregular edging on top of the fairy image with this happy polka dot background. The same material was used to create the trellis with the die cut. It has a beautiful shimmer finish. It really matches well with that happy fairy perched on her little mushroom cap. And then that paper continues inside with a Happy Mother's Day stamp. Floral, so that's one. A pink card. My mom made her own cards with cardstock, just measured them out and scored in half, and then did some ink into the edges. Here she used a damask patterned background down the center to add some color. Real unbleached cotton lace, and then the pink and the white is the flower, but the pink pearlescent center is a sticker she added herself, just to give a little bit of glisten to the card, a little bit of happiness. Same at the bottom, that mixed media, and then those half dome pearl button stickers. And then inside, Happy Mother's Day, and plain on the back. The next one, I like that she had so many different color tints here. This is a coral color, this orange with a bit of red tips to it, and then a magenta colored big gemstone in the center. So the card is pink, and you wouldn't know it from the front, because on the front she's inked it in and added the first layer, this tan with an eyelet cut out. So it is almost like a doily, this tan back page, and then a lighter piece of vellum. There is, like a mixed fabric page. And then this very vintage rosette printed page here with the similar color of that in the circle with the mum, and then a smaller mum with the rhinestone. A butterfly that you would almost miss if you didn't look at it, but it is 3D ephemera. It is wire and white paper, and this is like a hard plastic center. So Happy Mother's Day. This just really speaks to the vintage person, especially because it's so intricate with its layers. And then inside, you can make your own message. The card, or this white space for your own embellished sticker or message of your own type against that nice vintage print background. But another flower. This is my favorite. I'll go ahead and say it. I just love the image. Look at Mama Duck with her little ducklings in tow, all heading off down a happy path. Life is golden in this picture. And the cardstock is a very nice textured vellum. Got a good feel to it. So between that and this beautiful, happy, shining gold, the image, you don't need anything else. It just, hello, Happy Mother's Day. Look. Okay, I'm a sucker. This one's a cute image for me, though. I just want to follow those little happy ducklings. They're looking around. She's like, all right, come along. Don't get distracted. Cute. And then the final card is maybe the most intricate for it. It is a gatefold card. The red paper is a dark red, almost a merlot. Not a maroon, but a dark red. So not a Christmas red. And then she used this very charcoal with this sheen, a metallic sheen, to go as a contrast. And in between that, clear rhinestones and pearls. So the centerpiece is pearls and rhinestones. And it is a gatefold inside with the very vintage rose, an American rose, Happy Mother's Day, and rose stickers on either side. I think that is like a doo-wop. So these are great cards. She decorated them with items she had, mostly from scrap stash. She was able to bust through with using some stash items, and to great effect. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you're making for Mother's Day. If you've got some fun cards, how you've been able to use scraps and make beautiful outcomes like these. Like and subscribe. Every Friday we do a happy hour video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.